Okay. Okay, Lucas, I'm gonna be coming through now. You wait there. I'm coming into the cave here. I'm edging my way up. Oh, it's an attack from above. Who is it? Oh, it's Lucas. He's going out the other way. Okay, I'm coming up through the tunnel now. And coming up. Oh, who's up there? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Up in the ceiling, up in the skies. And now they're coming out the downside here. There she goes.